Good Wednesday afternoon, everybody. September 26, 2018. Welcome into another edition of Talking Fitchburg. Here we are on a beautiful Wednesday out there. Temperatures fall-like now, and yeah, it's just nice out. Perfect temp. Andrew, what do you think? This is like your temperature right now,
This is
isn't
what
it?
I like.
This is it?
This is good. Right here.
No hot temperatures? Just
We're good.
Straight up?
Yep.
Well, we missed you. We missed you yesterday, by the way.
Yeah?
You were over at Safe Communities.
Well, I'm
covering
glad
some
I was
malls.
missed.
Yeah. Scott didn't say anything,
Of course not. He doesn't do this part right here.
but he was was talking to me in my ear.
But not on TV with you.
Not the same. Not the same at all.
Oh.
Yeah, we had a little adventure this morning. We were
We've been everywhere.
we went to Rolling Pin, went to the fire station. We've got a lot of stories we've been working on here that we're going to be sharing with you coming up
Got
soon.
a lot coming up.
Yeah, getting ready because I've got baby leave coming up. Next Crosby's
Yep.
coming to town sooner than later.
Soon.
So, yeah, we're kind of preparing for that. In my absence, you guys have everything you need, and we'll see what happens. We'll see if get some time. Might come in and do the show, or maybe it's just you get Andrew 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Yeah, except for Fridays. Preston will still be here.
No, I already told him he doesn't have to do it.
Just me.
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah. Well, we got a lot coming up here, Andrew.
We do.
Today.
Busy day.
You've got we got a lot of headlines to get to coming up in Digest. We're talking about safety during the harvest season. Those combines can be hitting the roads here if they haven't already. So we're going to talk about that here in Digest, then take a look at what's coming up the month of October right here on the Com channel. Busy month of shows. New shows coming. We'll tell you about those with your preview and then wrap it up with a little PB&J action. So
Perfect.
Let's get right to it. In-person absentee voting. Want to remind you, it's on. That's right. November 6th, the general election, in-person absentee voting. Hours as are followed. 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. October 22nd through October 26th. Then 7:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. October 29th through the 30th. 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. October 31st through November 2nd. And finally, 7:30 a.m. to 7 o'clock p.m. November 1st. Remember, photo ID is required if you want to vote. I suggest you come early and do this, though. This takes the, the pain out of the election day. Although, I mean, I know it's fun to go on election day, too, and you got to time it all out right. So, either way, I've seen a lot of people come in already, so it's cool. Get excited. Get yourself voted, right? All right, Fitchburg Fire Department has their open house coming up on Saturday, October 13th from 10 till 2 p.m. right there at Fire Station number 1, 5791 Lacey Road right here, Fitchburg. Cost is free. They got a whole bunch of things, fun activities for the kiddos. Got your trucks are out there. You can check that out. Meet the firefighters who help out every day. And don't forget, world famous fire truck rides. Yep, they'll be back this year as well. We'll actually preview this with Adam Doran coming up here very soon. And with the fire open house to kick off Fire Safety Week, the Dane County Fire Chiefs in Madison Fire Department, they got a little fire parade coming up. Check this out. So I'm hoping that the baby doesn't come before this so I can take Lily down to this. Cambridge got to send a truck to this, right?
Oh, yeah, we'll be there.
Dane County Fire Truck Parade. Yeah, it goes down State Street, ends on the Capitol Square. Hope you can make it out there. Still trying to find out if Fitchburg's sending a truck. Haven't got that word yet, but either way, it's kind of the kickoff to fire prevention. Is it Fire Safety Prevention Week? Or Fire Prevention Week?
Yes.
Bueller? Anybody? Yeah, either way. It's going to be a fun time. Hopefully you can make it out there. Try to get a crew out there for that one as well. All right, police officer applications are due soon. That's right. City of Fitchburg Police Department is seeking individuals interested in becoming part of the organization dedicated to protecting and enhancing the diverse and growing city of Fitchburg. So you've got basically here you have some time, but not a lot of time to get your applications in, as they are due October 7th. So hit up the website, fitchburgwi.gov, click on jobs, and you'll be able to get yourself applied for that position. All right, the Verona Area Kids Expos. Gosh, I feel like we just talked about this. It's coming up. Mark your calendar. The annual Verona Area Kids Expo is November 3rd from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the Verona Area High School. It's an event for families to learn more about preschool, daycares, after-school programs, year-round recreation programs, and more. There are games, activities, concessions, all for you to enjoy. Come on by. They hope to see you there. Again, set your calendar for that one, November 3rd. Yeah, it's going to be good time. We've been out at that one. It's good. All right, dine in for DAIS. Your favorite Fitchburg restaurants are participating in the Dine Out for DAIS this year. Each year during Domestic Violence Awareness Month, DAIS invites area restaurants to donate a portion of their proceeds from a specific day to support victims of domestic violence in Dane County. This year, this Dine Out for DAIS will take place on October 4th, 2018. The Chocolate Shop, the Great Dane, Liliana's, and the Thirsty Goat will all be helping raise money for that cause. So make sure you get your reservations in if you want to participate. That'll be a good event there, raising some good money there. All right, last but not least from the county news, we've got in wake of the historic late summer flooding that resulted in millions of dollars of damage to Dane County, over $18 million in new initiatives will be included in the 2019 Dane County budget to ensure Dane County can recover, rebuild, and remain resilient during future flooding events. This is according to Dane County Executive Joe Parisi. The county board chaired Sharon Cargin, I believe, announced yesterday. And it says here that the initiative will focus on moving water more quickly through Dane County's chains of lakes and also restoring damages to natural areas due to flooding, mitigating the amount of stormwater that enters our lakes from the urban rural areas, and improving Dane County's resiliency and preparation with new equipment to blunt the impact of future flooding. And yeah, this is going to be good stuff. It also includes the county's 911 center will receive funds for new web-based phone communication system used during Hurricane Harvey that allows callers to seek help to report their emergency through a website when 911 lines are full. And a new $25,000 investment included in the budget will help with emergency housing for those with special needs who need to be moved from harm's way in a short time. More information to come up on this, by the way, but we'll post up the link so you can read the full press release, and we'll find out if it all gets included in and approved in the budget coming up here later this year. All right, that does it for your headlines. We're going to take a quick break. Coming up next, we open up the digest talking about your safety in farm equipment with the harvest season coming up. That's next right here on Talking Fitchburg.